Here's page 105, number 6. An ice chest contains 6 cans of root beer, 6 cans of, I'm going to use RB for root beer, 8 cans of cola, and 10 cans of lemonade. Question asked, Zoe selects 1 can at random. So she's just selecting, she's just digging into the ice chest. She's going to pull up a can. What is the probability in decimal form that it will be a root beer? So they don't want a percentage and they don't want a fraction, they want a decimal. So let's look at this. Again, I need to find out what's the total number of cans that are actually in the chest. So 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 plus 10 is 24. So there are a total of 24 cans in the ice chest. Now it says, what is the probability that she will get a root beer? Well, root beer, there are 6 cans of root beer. So 6 out of 24 will be the probability that she would pick a root beer out of the ice chest. Well, we know that that can be reduced, and I know that 6 is a factor of 24, so let me divide both of these by 6. 6 can go into 6 1 time, and 6 can go into 24 4 times. So really, if I were to simplify this probability, it would be a 1 out of 4 chance. And the easy way to convert this into a decimal is to divide like such. 4 goes into 1 like this. That's how I would set it up. 4 goes into 10 how many times without going over? It can go in 2 times. 2 times 4 gives me 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down to 0. How many times can 4 go into 20? 4 can go into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. And voila, there is my decimal, 0.25. And 0.25, I know a lady asked me in class today, 0.25 would be the same thing as moving it 1, 2 decimal points over, which gives me 25%. But that's not what they asked me. They asked me about this decimal. So the question is, how would you write it in the grid? It says mark your answer from left to right. So it should look like this. You should have 0.25, and you would bubble in as such.